But London is also a city filled with beautiful and unique parks, filled with flowers, breathtaking architecture, and tranquil scenes. Here are 5 we at Secret London think are particularly lovely. It was built in 1992 to celebrate the Japan Festival. Hidden in the center of Holland Park, this Japanese paradise will transport you to a different century on a different continent. Equal parts peaceful and beautiful, it features stone lanterns, tiered waterfalls, and Japanese maple trees. The pond is filled with beautiful koi fish, and a group of resident peacocks roam the grounds. If you come for blossoms in spring, you will have entered an Instagrammer's dream come true. Who needs to board a plane when a taste of Japan is just around the corner? The beautiful Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park is great for nature lovers, whether you're an outdoors enthusiast or just looking for somewhere to relax on a nice day. With gardens full of flowers, lovely meadows, and gorgeous wetlands, the park became a big hit during the 2012 Olympic and Paralympic Games in London. Boasting a variety of activities and venues, the park always has something new for visitors to discover. Greenwich Park is an amazing mix of 17th century landscape and stunning gardens. It's a former hunting park which overlooks the River Thames and is home to one of the most famous views of London often featured in films and TV. The park has a rich history which dates all the way back to the Romans. Most famously, of course, the park contains the Royal Observatory and sits on the Prime Meridian, the reference points for all clocks all over the world, and the reason exact time is referenced as Greenwich Mean Time. If you're up for a bit of a climb and love a good view, this park is right up your street. The beautiful Paints Hill Park is one of the finest remaining examples of the 18th century English landscape park. It's the work of Charles Hamilton, who took a tranquil lake and surrounded it with bridges, an amphitheatre and a marvellous Gothic pavilion. However, what Paints Hill is most famous for is its intricate and beautiful grotto. It's a truly unique sight in London, with stalactites hanging from the ceiling covered in beautiful magical patterns. With such variety, Paints Hill is a wonderful park to stroll around in and discover. Hampstead Pergola is unsurprisingly one of the most popular photo spots in London. The site, which dates back to 1904, is filled with ornate columns, trailing vines, and views which are absolutely to die for. Originally built to host fabulous garden parties, it's now a ravishing spot for a weekend wander as well as a popular wedding venue. It's a gorgeous spot year-round, whether it's covered in wisteria in spring or under a carpet of leaves in autumn. With such amazing scenery, the only way to truly describe it is enchanting. These 5 will keep you busy for the moment, but there's still so many great parks to explore in London. You can find more information at Secret London, or you can